Good morning, students. Welcome back again. In our last video, we have started the new topic, new assignment, that is balloon seller. We have done with the introduction part. I have shown some images of balloon seller with introduction. Today we will see how to prepare, how to draw balloon seller. Just take out your rough paper and practice this on rough paper. Once you are done with your practice, you can start drawing in your art copy. Just practice this on your rough paper. Once you are done with the practice, you can start in art copy. So, let's see how to draw a balloon seller. We will start with the eyes first. Eyebrow, upper line of your eyes, then eyeball. Then simply draw nose in this way. You can show the mustache also. Then you can draw face or cheeks. Then simply draw the ear and hairs. You can show some headgear to your balloon seller. Like this. Then simply draw the neck portion. And collar. In this way you can draw the collar. Now shoulders. Sleeves like this. Then you can show his hand in some position, means is giving balloons or taking money or just holding balloons. Any action you can show. Now we can draw his clothes. You can simply draw shirt, pant, or you can show the kurta, pajama or dhoti. Like this you can draw hands. Now we will simply add dhoti over here. Some curved lines like this. Here also. Now legs. You can show shoes or simple footwear like chappal, or you can show him barefooted without any shoes or chappal. Now some balloons in his hand. We will draw the stick first, big size. Now simply draw balloons over here. You can draw balloons in different shapes with different designs on it. Or you can draw the simple one like this. Like this, you can draw your balloon seller with balloons.